I'm back, baby. We are back in the saddle. I got my guns out. Pew, pew, pew. It's happening. Making $700 today. It's been a while. It's been a while since I've had just a real solid day. And I feel like today was a really solid day for me. And I want you guys to see the trades. So make sure you stay tuned. Watch these trades go down live. GALT really sizing up here and taking this baby down. Taking it down, boys. Check it out. All right, so it's almost 2 o'clock, and just started a position here on GALT. I think this one's gonna go down, baby, and I'm looking to make some money on this move lower. Gapping up this morning, big move up to the 475 area, coming back down, big sell-off, and then bouncing off the VWAP here, back up there to the 450s, and then just getting smacked there from 450 down there to 420. So right now, I'm trying to get filled all the way. See if we can get filled on this last little push here. Hoping for this 430 area to be a resistance. And you can see kind of getting stuck there in the 430 area underneath the EMAs here. And I like to see this break down below the VWAP here, down there to $4 or possibly even lower. I think $4 is going to be probably my profit target. $4, $3.95 area is what I'm looking for here going into the end of the day as this starts to just sell off and fade. If you look at the overall daily chart, this thing definitely likes to just jump up, crash back down, jump up, crash back down. So that's what we're hoping for. You can see a big spike in volume today. It's got a little bit of news, but I'm thinking this thing's going to go down here. Right now, I got 1,700 shares. See if I can get the rest up here at the 429 area. GALT jumping up there to the 445 area, adding one more time. Got 3,000 shares now. Looking for this break below the VWAP here. We break below the VWAP. Get down to the $4 area. That's what we're looking for. That's what I'm going for. That's the plan right now. I'm up $213, but I want to see this thing just get crushed down below the VWAP. Come on, baby. Give it to me. Get down there. Get down below the VWAP. I also just got a quick little trade here on ADMA. ADMA jumping up out of nowhere from the $5 area up there to 560s, up there to 555, going short 1,000 shares there at 553, and then covering down here at 537. Here we go. Come on, baby. Break it. Right through here, right through 415. Just smack it on down there. 419 VWAP holding it up right now. Let's get this sell off. Come on, baby. Take 1,000 there at the 415 area if we get down there. I'm gonna take 1,000 there at 417. And I'm gonna hold the rest for this move down there to the $4. 415 back on the ask. Let's see if we can break below that 414 area. There we go. Beautiful. See if we can get 1,000 here at 410. Well, canceled it. I'm going to take the rest there. 410. Oh! I didn't mean to do that, actually. Fuck. I was only trying to get... I guess I got all the way filled. It's not bad. Still, got down there to 408. That was a bit of a mistake on my part. Alright, so you can see my trades here. Not a bad day, baby. We're back. I'm feeling good right now. I am feeling good, boys. I'm feeling good. Making $591 on GALT, making $160 there. Keeping my losses nice and small today. That's really what we were doing. Just nice and small losses and then getting some little winners. I got MYO short. Actually, I gotta talk about this one real quick. So MYO, I shorted pretty heavy earlier, actually. I shorted MYO here at the 376. I had 3,000 shares there. And I covered most of it down here, and I left 100, and I left 1,000 shares, and then I left 1,000 shares on a stop because I had to go and handle some business today, and ended up getting stopped out there. It stopped me out at the 380 area. My stop was there at the 380. You can see earlier in the day how we had this resistance there at 377. So I was actually up a lot more there on MYO. I probably should have just covered it all there. And that would have been like $300 in profit if I would have just covered it all there, MYO. But it ended up getting the squeeze here, and it stops me out there. My order got stopped out while I was gone. And you can see it dipped back down there to 350 later on. So maybe my stop just needed to be a little bit higher, but I was kind of protecting that profit. So I broke my 3 trades a day rule that I implemented, but this was kind of like, it was almost like 2 days in one. So I traded this morning, I made 3 trades. I came back home after handling some business, and I was like, man, I felt pretty good. I know you're going to see all these triangles right here. This is just one order. Don't freak out. Don't think that's like 7 different orders. It's only one order there. It took me a while to get filled, and then I had some more buying power, and then I loaded up right here one more time. So I had 3,000 shares. I was actually trading the ADMA trade when this thing really spiked to 444. I wish I would have gotten filled at 440 area. That would have been a little bit better, but still, I think this is my biggest winner in a while. So that's good. A little confidence back. I'm not sure what I could do differently. I'm not really, obviously, I probably could hold this one a little bit longer. I really didn't mean to take it all right there. I just wanted to get that last 1,000 and then have 1,000 left for that move to $4. But ended up just getting all of it. Got to make sure you check your orders before you send them. You might not be proud of me. You might not be happy. You might think I'm an idiot. But I feel pretty good about it. I feel pretty good about that short on GALT. The reason that I shorted GALT, as you can see, so we had this big spike this morning. So we had this big spike around noon, around lunchtime, up there to 475. It pulled back pretty hard. Look how hard this pulled back from 460 down there below the VWAP, coming back up, getting stuck there at 450. Again, big sell-off, pulls down here. I really thought we were going to just roll off right there, but we had this one last spike, and I got 1,000 more short. I held through it because I knew, okay, my stop's going to be at 450. I'm doing it. I'm holding this baby. I know this one wants to go down. I was looking at the news. It wasn't anything amazing, and the volume was just drying up here, and I was just expecting some type of drop. So that's pretty good. You can see, I think, really just kind of sizing up here helped as well. Sizing up and only, getting from 35 down there, from 30s down there to the $4. It's only a 30-cent drop. So, some days I make these 30-cent moves, but with smaller size, so it's not that big of profits. But if I can really size up on a move like this where I feel confident in it and I feel good about it, I really need to just size up there. I was actually thinking about getting 4,000 shares. That would have been a little bit more risky, but I think I could have been fine. I think I would have been fine with 4,000 shares there on GALT for that move down there to the 405. So that's almost an $800 day today. That's pretty good. I'm excited. I'm happy for it because I feel like I've just been getting beat up lately. And I feel pretty good about this one. GALT, sized up. I was confident. I took the trade. I made it happen. And we're going to walk away with almost $800 in profit today. Not bad. I'll take it. I will take it, I'll just take it. If I can make $800 every single day, I will take it all day long. I mean, in the past, if I would have shorted here at the 430 area, we got that little pull down there, and then we got this spike, I probably would have gotten out here, and then I'd have been done and walked away. But instead, I held through it. I had a plan. I knew what I was doing. I had a plan. I knew what I was doing. I looked at the news. I saw what was going on here, and I was ready to execute. I was going to hammer this baby down and hit the bid. There it is. Hitting the bid today, making $700. This morning was very slow, lackluster. Came back here, just grabbed a couple of shares. There it is. So hopefully you guys enjoy seeing me actually make some money. It's good. It's good to make some money every once in a while. There it is. I'll talk to you guys later on. If you haven't already, well, hit the subscribe button. What are you guys doing?